Well, good morning and welcome back to Log Cabin Firewood. So my name's Jack, and today we're gonna clean up a little bit of this mess that my neighbors had sitting over here for a while, and we're gonna load it up onto his awesome fifth wheel, or whatever you wanna call this thing. It's a big rig. Let's do it. What is going on, everybody? I hope you all have been doing great. I have not been doing so great. I don't know if you could tell by the look in my face, but allergies are kicking my butt. Now, I have lived with allergies since I was about 13 years old, and every year I find some things that work, and then all of a sudden they don't work, and then always right before, you know, the end of May, the stuff just happens, and then I end up with a sinus infection, which turns into an upper respiratory infection, which is just miserable. But I've got a bunch of this stuff here. Somebody brought me this junk, and we're just gonna split it up and get it in this fifth wheel, or whatever you wanna call this. I'm not sure if it's a fifth wheel or a dovetail or whatever you call these things. But we're gonna fire the Axis up because I'm by myself. But I did get everything set back up together over here. That way, when Little Man and James get over here, they can split together. So let's get the machines fired up and get some wood into this trailer. Well, we went through and got a little bit of this pile cleaned up and split up. Some of this was just straight junk, but the old man over here, the guy that lets me split over here, actually came and gave me a hand. If you guys saw him loading the log lift up for me. But we got a decent amount of wood on his big old trailer. Check this out. Now this isn't the best wood, but it all burns. And this trailer is huge. It's a 16-foot, nice trailer. But that's all I got for you today, guys. Just a little bit of wood splitting. Take care of each other, and we'll see what we can get into next time. Thanks so much for watching.